Hey gorgeous, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Tootie. You already know, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and if you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for joining, and welcome to the gorgeous gang. So as you can see, for today's tutorial, we are colorful, honey. Yes, it is Pride Month, so shout out to everyone in the LGBT community. This look is dedicated to y'all. I got my buttons. We're giving y'all a little mermaid vibes. Yes, I really love how this look came out. We got the little head thingy going on. So yeah, you already know I don't want to hold y'all. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, you know what to do. Pick up a brush and keep on watching. Gorgeous gang, I missed y'all so much. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this voiceover. Of course, I did go ahead and do my brows off camera. I am going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Deep. I think this is my new favorite concealer because the finish of it is so good. So yeah, I am taking my Real Techniques blending brush to tap that in so we can have a good clean flat base. Alrighty, so for the eyes, y'all, I kept it really simple. I am going in with my Sephora number 27 brush, and I am going in with that new Fenty Beauty bronzer, and this is in the shade Cocoa Naughty. And I'm just basically, as you can see, just putting it all over my eyes and all the way up to my brow bone. Alrighty, so as you see, the eyes was real quick, real simple. I'm going in with my Wet n Wild liquid liner, and I'm going to create me a wing. I wanted my wing to be pretty, not too dramatic, but I wanted it to be kind of dramatic because my look was kind of extra. So why not go extra all the way around? So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and just create the wing here. Alrighty, so as you can see, I did go ahead and do my foundation off camera so I can go ahead and complete everything else. This part, as you can see, I am going in with the MacBook by the crayon case. Y'all probably tired of me using this because I used it in my last two videos, but all the colors I needed was actually in this palette. So yeah, this part is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just going in with all the colors pretty much from the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, and putting that under my lower lash line. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stop the voiceover here, and then I'll come back up shortly when I get back to my face. Y'all enjoy. So let's go ahead and get started with our little mermaid rainbow fish scales. So I'm just using a pair of old fishnet stockings that I had, and I just cut them up, and I'm just adjusting it to my liking. And of course, I did do my foundation off camera, and my foundation is basically going to play a part as my base so my colors can pop. As you can see, I'm going to start off with the purple. So I'm working backwards because the purple is a darker shade, and then just work my way down the side of my face. And the brush I am using is from Miss A, and this is just like a medium-sized fluffy brush. And I use this same brush with all the colors. I have like a napkin and a little brush thingy that can wipe off the color off the brush, so none of the colors transferred on one another. All right, let's see what our little scales talking about. Ooh, okay, so as you can see, this is how it's supposed to be. Let's put our little headband back on. So now I'm going to go ahead and just finish the rest of my face. So I'm going to go ahead and start prepping for my lashes. I am using the e.l.f. Length and Volume mascara, and of course you can see putting that on my top lashes, and as well as I will be putting it on my bottom lashes. And the lashes that I'm using, I think I used them like 2 other times in my videos, but I love these lashes so much, y'all. They so dramatic and they extra, just like me. But they are from Pure Perfection. Oh, I can't talk. And this is in the style Lavish. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and set my whole face with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep, and this is just a flat brush. It came from a set from Walmart. I don't even remember the name of the company it came from. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight as well. Of course, I am going in with my Baked Bronzer from Hard Candy, and I believe this is in the shade Tropics. Moving on to the lips, I did want to keep them natural because we did have some color going on our eyes and our skin. I'm going in with my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline, and I believe this is a Nika K lip gloss that I'm going to put on top. And of course, to pull the look together, to make sure we're not looking ashy and ghostly, we're going to set our skin, and we are finished with the look. I hope y'all enjoyed this look, gorgeous gang. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.